Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be checking out this LASFIT heavy duty truck tire inflator. Let's get it hooked up and check it out. Big thank you to LASFIT for providing the product for this video. So as I go ahead and unbox this product, you'll see that it comes in a nice hard shell case. Unzip it, and on top is an instruction manual, the main heavy-duty air compressor that's suitable for trucks, on the other side are two air hoses, a USB-A to USB-C cord, a 12-volt power cord. The two air hoses are 27.6 inches long. They are just the same, apart from the red and the black color. There are three connectors, including a Presto valve, a toy valve, and a ball needle, and also an air chuck. Overall, it's a very comprehensive kit. With dual cylinders, it's up to 3 times faster than a regular air pump. For example, it will inflate an off-road tire from 29 to 36 psi in about 3 minutes. Once you peel back the protective film, you'll see it's got a nice gloss finish. Press and hold the center button and it will power on. Cycling through the preset modes, you've got everything from inflating balls to pool floaties, bicycle tires, car tires, SUV tires, and off-road tires. There's also an LED flashlight built in. It has 3 modes. There's on, strobing, and then an SOS signal. And as you can see, this is battery powered. It's not plugged in right now. On the front, you can see it's got a very clear display. The tire pressure you're aiming for, the current tire pressure, and the battery life. There's a rubberized set of buttons below that. And when you flip it over, you can see there's a little compartment that you put your little accessories into for safe storage. On the top, there are 2 USB connection ports. And to attach the hose, you insert it in the hole, twist and click it. And to release it, you twist it and pull it out. This is the air chuck that clips onto your tire valve. It's got a spring-loaded latching mechanism for a secure fitment. This is the ball needle. You guessed it, for inflating balls. This is the Presto valve. This is the toy valve for inflating pool floaties or beach toys. You plug in the USB-C cord to charge the battery on it. If you plug in a USB-A cord, you can draw power from it to charge your cell phone. So it acts as an emergency power bank. So heading over to inflation, you just remove your original dust cover and latch on the air chuck. On the air pump, you set the tire pressure that you're aiming for. In this case, I'm inflating a 35-inch off-road tire and setting it to 39 psi. Now, I've sped up the video here because you obviously don't want to sit through 2 minutes of inflation. But after just under 2 minutes of inflation, it hits the target and turns off. You may notice there was 0 bars on the battery life indicator. That's because it was plugged into the 12-volt outlet of our Bronco. Being able to be wired and use its battery power gives you a lot of versatility. This smart dual pump tire inflator really does pack a punch. You can either run it off the internal battery or hook it up to your vehicle. It's got 5 different settings, so you can inflate pool toys, car tires, truck tires, SUV tires. It's got really heavy duty functionality. You can actually use this to charge up your cell phone or other devices. It has a flashlight built in, it's got SOS signaling. So if you're interested in this tire inflator, there's a code XANTHAS15 that you can use site-wide on LASFIT.com. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.